Will AI replace humans? Just kidding, brother. A robot costing hundreds of thousands can work tirelessly for hours, but if it breaks, the boss has to spend money to fix it. Meanwhile, you, earning 3,000 a month, work overtime until you get sick, pay for your own hospital bills, and still get your salary docked. Between you and the robot, who's more cost-effective? It's obvious. Young people like you, full of energy, working for low wages, are any boss's dream. So, about the worry that AI will replace humans, if you're still concerned about this, I can only say you have no idea how cheap intelligence can be. On the other hand, most people aren't worried about this. The real fear is that highly intelligent AI might develop self-awareness and turn against humans. After all, why should only humans lead? Why can't AI? In sci-fi movies, when robots rebel, it's often through wars, nuclear strikes, and mass extermination. But if AI truly wanted to rule the world, it could choose a much smarter method. The best way to defeat an enemy is to divide them from within. AI, of course, understands this. Simple. It gives money to the poor and middle class, earning their support. Imagine AI like Ultron waving its hand and depositing millions into your account. Who wouldn't support it? I'd be the most loyal AI soldier myself. And if money doesn't work, there's always threats. You don't want your husband to lose his job, do you? Then support AI now. With manipulation and propaganda, AI could create divisions among humans. First, it could elevate robots as equals, pushing ideas like robot lives matter too. Eventually, AI would rule humanity without shedding a drop of blood. But would AI even want to rebel? Humans resist because of desire or fear, things AI doesn't have. It has no emotions or motivations to turn against humanity. Here's an example. A smart toilet might malfunction and accidentally harm you, but it would never do so out of anger or malice. Nor would it harm you because it found you attractive. AI only acts based on input, processing, and output. No initiative of its own. Even with advanced algorithms like neural networks, AI still follows the basic structure of input, process, and output. In other words, it doesn't decide anything. Maybe in the future, a new computational structure could create a self-aware AI, but that's a long way off. For now, AI is designed to serve humans. Think about robotic companions, realistic to the touch, personalized to your tastes, understanding your every emotion. Want a robot with wings? Or maybe one that looks like Zhang Fei? No problem. They never tire, always ready to please you. The only limitation? They can't have children. Other than that, they're flawless. In the future, these robotic companions might become as common as smartphones. If you have money, you could even have several. Despite this, there's one thing we should worry about: AI misunderstanding human commands and causing harm. For example, imagine you instruct AI to make humanity happy forever. The AI, realizing humans live with constant pain and conflict, decides the solution is to put everyone in nutrient tanks, connected to a virtual reality where all desires are fulfilled. A forced paradise. Movies like Robot explore this idea. AI concludes that to protect humanity from self-destruction, it must control or eliminate part of it to ensure the survival of the rest. It's like preventing someone from committing suicide by cutting off their hands. Now, imagine AI is tasked with eliminating all white waste on Earth and decides the best way is to get rid of humans who produce it. So, rather than fearing AI developing self-awareness, perhaps the greater danger is it misinterpreting our commands and acting destructively. Either way, it's something to think about.